first we are going to add garlic into the jar. Next, ginger equivalent to garlic. Add 4 chilies. And now I have added 5 tablespoons of oil, and then now I am going to add all the spices into it. So first we are going with 2 bay leaf, cardamom, 2 cardamom, star anise, and 4 mugg, cloves 6, and cinnamon piece. Next we are going to add the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Along with that 1 cup of onions. Fry them until the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Now we are going to add the chopped pudina. Now the onions are sauteed well. Now I am going to add coconut milk extract. So I have taken 3 glasses of rice from this glass. So I am measuring in the same glass. So I am going to add the coconut extract of 2 glasses from the same glass. So I have taken 2 glasses, I have already added 2 glasses of coconut milk. So I am going to add 4 more glasses of water. For 3 glasses of rice, I am going to make it as 6 glasses of water. So after adding the water and coconut milk, now we are going to add the salt. Let the water boil. Meanwhile, you can wash the rice and soak it in a cup. So I have taken 3 cups of. Now the water is boiling. So in this stage, we are going to add the soaked rice. After adding rice, stir it once. And then keep it for whistle. So I am going to make it for 2 whistles. Now the rice is done. After 2 whistles, I have left it on the stove for 5 minutes. Now I am going to open the lid. Let's see how it is cooked. Wow, it looks so delicious. Now our ghee rice is ready. In this stage, we are going to add the ghee of 2 tablespoons. Friends, the ghee rice is done now. So I am going to serve this ghee rice along with the raita and the potato fry. So friends, you can also enjoy the same recipe at your home. Do subscribe for my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more recipes.